welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. Okay, I usually go over with homework from last video. And this is 第三句话. This is a sentence we call 话. Okay, this one is a 成语. I always lead you guys to learn one 成语, one new lessons. Okay, and this is a homework. Okay, 特一安天, 天 is sky. 一 is clause. Okay, is our clause. Wu is nothing, but they're together. They grows together is 分无分. Wu fen is seamless, but actually I did check. The whole the 成语. They just give a one word. It's seamless, and this 成语you really want to tell to describe is everything perfectly done. That's what they want to say. 天衣无缝. Okay, and this is our sentence. 呢啊那 is the. 是 特安探 is tempt, but here has r, so it's a person. Okay, the person who tempt, so it's temper. And this is if separate. Okay, this is a person and this is off. But here we just cover this is a temper. Okay, 金镜其眼前了哀来镜前来. Okay, if they separate, each word has a little different, but they're good friends, comes together. It's calm. Okay, 的归对 is face to Jesus. Here they're talking about Jesus, so it's face to Jesus. 是我说 is said or speak or talk, something like that. 那一你 is you. 日我若 is if. 是 is is. 是安神的神的 is God's. 儿字 is son. 可以 is could. 分吩咐 is tell or order or command. Okay, 这些这些 is this. 石头石头. 不一安变成变成 is become. 食物is food. Okay, 那试探人的近前来对他说，你若是神的儿子，可以吩咐这些石头变成食物。Lessons. Okay, this is a number 4. 第四句话，4 1 2 3 4，这是第四句话。This is the number 4 sentence. Okay, and we have a new 成语。Okay, 乐意昂两，不哀败，基于惧，是昂伤，两败俱伤。I give you 2 clues. This word is 2, so 2. This word is 伤 is injured. Okay, this is 2. Okay, 两个人 is a human being. Okay, I give you a clue. Okay, so 两个 it could be anything, animal, whatever. Okay, but it's 2, and this one is injured. So you find out these 2 words what they mean. Okay, this is our 成语. You're gonna practice. Okay, 两败俱伤。两 remember 两 is 2. Bai 俱伤. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay, let's start our sentence. Okay, 耶是乌苏耶稣，其曰却是我说 is talk or speak. 其阴经 是安上，经上，记记，这记着，是我说，日安人，和我活，这活着，不，是不是，的安单，靠，食物食物。Remember we learn from our homework, okay? 那爱奶是靠是安神靠口了一里 I can give you the clue. It looks simple, look like square, yeah? It's our mouth actually. 里 is inside. So 所出的所出的一切毫不阿话 Okay guys, let's practice our Chinese, okay? 耶稣耶稣却说经上记者记者说人活着不是单靠食物乃是靠Guys, this looks a lot, but actually it's not. It's for 1 week. This one sentence is not a lot, okay? You can do it. 神口里 remember mouth, our mouth. Okay, this is 里所出的所出的一切This is 一 is one, okay? 话家庭作业 is very good for you to help you to get this language, okay? 家庭作业 is homework, okay? Download a translator and translate each single word. But if I'm on the line, you can check them together. as phrases so you can fly in Chinese language. Okay, read and write 30遍, and this is very important too. Okay, 30遍, because it will help you to never forget it. Read and write, because while you are reading and then you're reading, it will help you to just remember, you don't forget it. Okay, and then watch an hour in Chinese TV series every day. And I have a one here. It's called 还珠格格. Gege is a princess and is very fun, very entertainment. And in this movie video, there is a long one. Okay, they maintain a lot of Chengyu, a lot. If you learn from here, the Chengyu, you will hear from there all the time. Because the one actually is I was thinking about myself today. Because a few months ago, a deer hit me. I don't want to say I hit him because he hit me. So it's my windshield all completely broke. So it caused me problem. And I want to say is this is kind of like 两败俱伤 is this Chengyu, because he dead and I got so big trouble on my car, you know, I have to fix it. I spend a lot of money. So that is 两败俱伤. That's what I'm thinking today. Oh, maybe I can tell you guys this Chengyu, okay? And this is our homework. So in this one is very, very important, because you're gonna hear a lot of Chinese tones. Because look, we have all these tones. So when you watch this video, and you will hear the tones all the time, and then it will build the foundation for you. And when one day when you speak Chinese, you will speak little accent or non-accent. Okay, I promise you. Okay, and I'm here very serious to teach you Chinese. And if you take serious and do this homework, it's good for you. Okay, and give me thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel so you don't miss my new videos. And I will see you 下星期五